Baka mahirap yan ha.
Hindi.
Okay. About ba sa event?
Company sa event, business.
No problem, no problem. Okay. Shoot.
Ay,
Hindi na ako titingin sa...
Kahit saan po.
Kahit saan, sige go.
Congrats! So technically, you're celebrating 6 years?
60 year, yes.
How was the journey so far for that 6 years?
Well, actually, yung journey, parang kahapon lang. Parang way back 2019 when we started our first branch. And actually, I don't know, siguro na manifest ko, sabi ko nung first branch ko, babaguhin ko yung barbering industry. This is already happening right now because this event, it actually aims to unite the whole industry, bridging the gap in all the barbers, not just the barbers, but also the brand. No more egos, no more competition. We are all in this together, in uniting and uplifting the industry. Yeah. Sobrang roller coaster lang yung journey. Yeah.
Pero syempre, parang kakastart nyo lang ng 2019, tapos nag-pandemic.
Yes.
Diba? Paano kayo nag-bounce back from kakastart pa lang, tapos biglang bumaba, and now at least na-maintain?
Nung 2019 kasi, sobrang lakas agad namin eh. December 2019, sobrang lakas. May mga gusto na agad mag-franchise, pero hindi ko muna sa ginrab. Sabi ko kasi, nasa honeymoon stage pa yung business. Wag muna. True enough, nag-pandemic February, back. And ang ginawa namin ng wife ko, hindi natin pwedeng i-sara to. Na isi-shutdown natin. So what we did is, sinagot lang namin yung kabuhayan ng mga barbers namin. Kasi sabi ko, once na mag-open ulit to, nakaka-bounce back tayo. Kasi we truly believe na quality yung in-offer namin na services. Kasi talagang tinangkin kami ng market. Kaya hindi kami natakot na pagbalik namin, for sure nakaka-bounce back kami.
And we're talking about ilang branches na tayo ngayon.
Right now po, kasama lahat ng currently na ginagawa, 93 branches po.
Oh, wow! And nationwide po.
Nationwide, well, Visayas wala pa tayo.
Okay.
Mindanao meron na. Dalawa.
Pero yung unang branch po, located are?
First branch is in Marilao, Bulacan. Yan, that's the mother branch.
And of that branches, ilan yung franchise doon? Ilan yung sa'yo?
Company owned is 12.
Okay.
Branches. And then the rest is franchise.
Pero ang bilis yun na nakapagpa-franchise kayo agad ang ganun.
Almost 2 years na kami in franchising. Siguro, the reason, one of the main factors kung bakit mabilis yung growth namin rapid is because we are doing what most businesses or franchisors are willing to do. It's to provide everything. Because we are providing everything from the construction, operation assistance, even employment. Kami ang magbibigay ng employment. So basically, plug and play siya. Because I designed this business model to really attract and help yung mga kababayan natin, mga first-time entrepreneurs. Kasi di ba pag first-time entrepreneurs, sobrang risky yan. And yung mga employed naman, probably, wait lang, ilaw. Probably mga OFW, 10, 15, 20 years na nawali sa family. And it's yung lifetime savings nila. Pag in-invest na sa business or any investment, sobrang laki ng risk. Diba? Very crucial in decision making kung saan mo siya invest. That's since naintindihan ko yung pain point, kaya sabi ko, sige, provide ko na lahat para yung mga mag-franchise sa atin, mas mataas yung probability na maging successful.
Sir, can you walk us through lang po, kumbaga, paano ba kayo nag-start or bakit ito yung pinili po ninyong business, yung barbershop? Anong background po ninyo?
Actually, before ako nag barbershop, ang negosyo ko talaga e-commerce. So, ang forte ko is Facebook ads, marketing, sales, yun talaga dyan ako magaling. Siguro pwede ko sabihin magaling ako dyan. Ayan. And 2019, so talaga na hirap ako makahanap ng ever since lang magaling na barbero na kaya ibigay consistently yung gupit ko. And then one time, nakapagpagupit ako sa isang brand ng barbershop, na-overheard ko yung sabi ko, problem solver tong negosyo to ah. At the same time, maganda yung profit. Kaya ko maggawa ng brand nito. So that's what I did in 2019. Inaral ko na R&D, tapos kung paano siya kumikita, saka ako siya nilaunch. So basically, pinag-aralan ko muna bago ko siya itinayo. Hindi yung basta-basta nag-bandwagon na ako na, oy, ang ganda ng negosyo nito, tayo ako. Pinag-aralan ko muna siya.
Paano kayo nakikipag-compete ngayon sa market knowing na ang dami ring mga barbershop, salons na sometimes talagang binababa nila yung price just to reach yung wider market?
Well, unang-una kasi, lowering the price is not one of our strategy. Because I truly believe that if your only strategy to compete in the market is to lower your price, you don't have a brand. Gusto namin kaming magdikta ng presyo sa merkado. Sundan nyo kami, pag nagtaas kami, magtaas din kayo. Because hindi kasi healthy, pag nag-price war tayo Yung maletang puhunan, una magsasarayan. Automatic yan. Now, talking about how do we compete? Well, it might sound too confident, pero we don't actually consider anyone as our competitor. Because we truly believe, unang-una, yung mindset ko, hindi ko naman kaya gupit ang buong Pilipinas. May kanya-kanya tayong market. May kanya-kanya tayong style of marketing. Siguro one of my power and one of our strength is really yung marketing namin. I know the market behavior. I know what we can provide. Sabi nga ni Curtis before, di ba? I know the market because I am the market.
Pero di ba ngayon nauuso yung pinipicture na mismo ng nagugupit yung...
Yes.
Pero may ganun din ba sa
Nagkakaroon din po kami.
Ah,
And we also, actually, most of our funds are allotted on the marketing side. Pero mga at least 60% nasa marketing. Kasi, yan naman magiging kahit gano'n kasi kaganda ang produkto at servisyo mo, kung wala naman nakakaalam mo.
Yes.
Pero, may budget din yan. You really have to ensure na maganda rin ang produkto o servisyo mo kasi yung marketing mo rin ang papatay sa'yo.
correct.
So how do you ensure na maganda talaga mas
Ano ba yung tatakpabilisan ng
Ayan.
things na gupit? How would you define?
Well, from first branch until now, yung strategy namin na before kami magpasalang ng barbero, magpa-deploy bago siya gumupit ng client, dapat well-trained na siya. Pumasa na siya sa public standard ng gupit niya. So right now, we have our sets of educators na pinapadala pa namin abroad to train. So we are internationally exposed. In fact, marami na kaming kaibigan ng mga barbershop owners sa ibang bansa, mga barbero. So nag-a-attend kami ng mga convention. I really invest in my people. Yung skills nila, yung knowledge nila. So that's how I maintain the consistency of our quality. Ako mismo nakatulong.
And how about this event? How do you come up with this idea ng event na ganito? What's in store for yung mga contestants and ano yung magiging gain ng public dito?
Well, unang-una siguro, like sinabi ko kanina sa kanila, sa mga judges namin, si Public has nothing to gain with this. Dahil unang-una libre to. Walang registration, pero premyo sa aming galing. Wala kami sponsors. Sponsors namin yung mga giveaways lang, pero monetary na pa-premyo sa aming galing yan. Okay, what is the inspiration with this? Way back 2023 when I attended Barber Expo Malaysia, I fell in love with the industry, with the barbering industry. Nakita ko yung unity. Iba't ibang bansa, nasa isang convention, isang industriya, nagkakaisa, nagtutulungan, ang saya sa ginagawa nila. They don't care. They don't really compete with each other. They don't care kung sino man. Sabi ko, sana madala ko dito yung ganyang klaseng kultura. Yung ganyang klaseng event, ganyang kalaking event. Nag-isimula pa lang kayo, maliit pa to. Because next year, we're planning to 10x the event. Sana madala ko dito yan. Not only that, mapag-unite ko yung buong industriya ng barbering. Kasi when that happens, marami ngayong mga new generation of barbers or possible mga hindi barber, makikita nila na maganda palang profession si barbering. Pwede mo na siyang gawing profession. Now, fast forward, possible na yung anak mo ngayon, pag tinanong, anong trabaho ng tatay mo? Barbero po. Publing's barber po. Hindi na barbero lang. So that is our really sincere intention. Is really to just uplift the industry. Ito, ano lang namin po talaga ito, give back lang namin, pamigay lang po talaga namin. Wala po kami kinikita dito.
Pero yung mga contestants nyo, yung mga magagaling.
Magagaling
mga barbero.
talaga.
So, seems like mga professional na sila. Tama siguro connected na sa mga ibang barbershop. So, meron bang intention to like somehow attract them to join Publix?
Well, to attract them to join Publix, wala po. The main intention is to really, sabi ko nga, this event, this is not about Publix. This is about showcasing yung galing ng buong barbering industry. Mapakita natin sa buong mundo na kahit kayo mismo, kayo, gagaling ng mga barbero natin, di ba? Kasi, ibang level na tayo, hindi lang alam ng buong Pilipinas sa ibang level ng barbering natin. Hindi na to basta gupita na sa kanto na, di ba, yung mga bao, something like that. It's already an art.